Hello guys, sab monogibin New Year la salam janai di ase aro 2025 la etu first video ase. To itia wala start koribo apni khange opportunity training khan skill development training khan noisibili bi job opportunities khan sob dibo apni khange. Etu one ajibi khobor bhal hui nai ise etu notun salle etu tinta opportunity ase ite. First to etu ki ase gole do etu Directorate of Employment, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Kohima, Nagaland. Takam bra course sponsor kuri na se itu duita ase. Ekta do 3 months la ase. Itu counter sell executive ase. Itu do 3 months ase. Aru qualification required to ole do class 10 pass and 12 pass. Itu do eligibility do mota bi pare maki bi pare. Both for male and female. Inna kuna second do itu do hole do seller activation executive ase. Itu do 2 months ase training period to. Aru itu bi eligibility bi mota bi maki bi ase. Aru itu do class 10 pass la upor kan bi paribo. Minimum qualification do class 10 pass ase. So guys, itu opportunity to waste nukuri kina. Itu nutun salde apni kan bi to start kuri bi koina janai dia. Alright guys, second opportunity to hole do it's only for female. Maki kan kane ase itu do. Inna kuna 45 days training period hobo itu do. Inna kuna eligibility criteria 12 pass ase. To apni ini communication skills bal ase. Kule do apni itu try koribi. Kile mane itu do training start nohage de ide online screening test ase. English screening test ase. Tu itu clear hoa pichite itu 45 days training itu company khambra kila company de select piche apni ta khambra apni training provide korbo. And the good news is itu to ledo one of the finest and top hotels in India as well as international. There is Oberoi aro Hilton. Itu tuida company khambra itu interview apni ke training provide korbo. Apni itu English screening test itu online la itu tu olaisi gole do only 45 days training hobo. Aro tate tinda department ase, housekeeping ase, ena kona front office ase, aro ekta do food and beverage ase. So apni itu tuida apni na preference ke ase itu bi apni janai dibo lage ta hange na. Only it all depends on your interview. Apni interview kina kotha kobo sob itu apni la pore ase. Ena kona tu interview to olaisi gole do English screening test olaisi gole do 45 days ase itu training to. Itu ane itu make sure you grab this opportunity. And one thing is that this is not only for the people of Nagaland. Like even if you fall under the category of SC, ST, OBC, General, apni khan la platform ase. To apni khan bi apply koribo paribo. Itu bi janai dia. Aro guys, third opportunity to ki ase gole DTU GKY scheme la ase. Itu funded by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India and Government of Nagaland. So itu 6 months of training period thakibo. Eligibility criteria khan hoise gole do minimum class 10 pass ho lage. Aru it is open for both male and female. Akela de do khali female thakise hole bi it is open for both male and female ase. Itu kane apni interest ase gole do itu training de lo paribo, enroll koribo paribo. It is for food and beverage. Itu guest service associate ase, F&B department, food and beverage department kane ase. Itu kane apni itu video sa pichite interest ase gole do itu number screen e di dibo aro ekbar tate tu message koribi, call bi koribo paribo, email bi koribo paribo. Tu ki de convenient ase tate reach out koribi for further information. Itu janai di ase. To guys itu nisna itu video bi sai thakibi ena korna video bi share koribi bi janai di ase. Aro itu nisna in the coming days as well moi opportunity ki skill development training khan hoise gole bi kila job opportunity ase itu on sob video banai thakibo. So I'll be ending my video from here. Mr. Rajan Humse signing off. Guptalim, Jai Hind. Thank you.